Welcome to Mindzita. Tech simplified, dreams amplified. If you're trying to edit a page in Elementor and suddenly see the 500 internal server error, don't worry. This is a common WordPress issue and it's actually very easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that works in most cases. First, let's see the problem. When I open an Elementor editor, you can see that it shows a 500 internal server error. This usually happens because of server limitations, plugin conflicts, or editor loading issues. To fix this, go to your WordPress dashboard. Then go to Elementor Settings. Now click on the Advanced tab. Here you'll find an option called Switch Editor Loader Method. Simply enable this option and click Save Changes. This setting changes the way Elementor loads the editor and often fixes server-related loading errors. Next, go back to the WordPress dashboard and open the Updates section. Check if there are any updates available for plugins or themes. If there are updates, go ahead and update all plugins and themes. Keeping everything updated helps prevent compatibility issues that can cause server errors. Now let's check if the problem is fixed. Let's open the Elementor editor. And as you can see, the editor loads perfectly now, and the 500 internal server error is gone. And that's it. That's how you fix the 500 internal server error in WordPress Elementor. If you run into any issues, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.